Now in today's video I am unboxing the Millepunti DF4 overlocker by Necchi. Now the Millepunti range by Necchi is their essentials, their basics, their smart price machines. So it's affordable, giving you a machine that works and packs a punch. It's 90 watt power. It works at 1500 stitches a minute, which is pretty fast. And it has all sorts of features that you might be interested in. It does only 3 thread and 4 thread. Again, it is their entry level machine, so you don't get that 2 thread flat lock. So all we need to do, open up the box and have a look inside. First thing you get is a foot pedal. You do get a waist trim catcher. There's an accessories box with lots of goodies inside, so have a good look through. And you've got your instruction manual. Now make sure you spend some time reading through it. It tells you how to work your machine and how to set it up. Now let's get the machine out. It has a nice pocket handle and it weighs 8 kilograms. So I've opened the box and I've got the machine out. Now the machine comes threaded up and it's already quite impressive. What you get are 4 cones of thread already threaded on the machine, which is good. Now the instructions will tell you how to thread up the machine, how to maintain your machine and how to get the right tension settings. Pull up the thread pole to make sure your machine is set properly. One thing I like about this machine is that it has a free arm, so you just need to release the side like this very easily. But an extra special part is this clip that you have that releases that free arm and reveals the knife adjustment screw. So adjusting this knife here, you have the wide or narrow arrows on there, and adjusting them will adjust the lower knife, which is connected to the upper knife, and you can see it quite easily shown here. The thread map is color coded as with the tension dial, so that's easy. And you've got an easy threading system. Because we've removed the free arm, I can see the lower looper and I can access it very easily from this side. I really like this safety switch. Machine is deactivated when this door is open. If I close it back up, the machine will start working again. You've got a seam allowance guide on the front and you've got some strong sucker feet at the bottom of the machine that holds the machine in place. Now the book will tell you what accessories you will get with your machine. So you have your screwdriver, you've got your spool caps. There should be 4 of them that go on top of cops, so they're like your moon threads. In here you've also got a pack of needles, a pair of tweezers which are quite long, so that should make threading easier for you. You've got a cleaning brush, and inside this little bag you've got an Allen key and a spare upper blade. And you can check the list in the manual to make sure you've got everything there, including the cover. Now take some time and go through the manual before you start working on the machine. So other features on this machine is we have a free arm, and this simply pulls it off like that, and that's brilliant. So now I can do my cuffs, I can do baby clothes, I can do hems in this section, any bags, anything that needs to go round in a circular. But then the free arm also comes off. So if I press this switch underneath, pull it up, this free arm comes off really easily to reveal the knife dial. So now I can turn this dial towards me or again away from me to either cut less or more of the fabric. And the reason you do that is so that the loops won't be hanging over your threads and your fabric won't curl if they're too tight. Another thing I like about this machine is that they've saved space here by having one area here for the differential feed and the stitch dial. So you turn the inner wheel for the stitch length and the outer wheel will turn for the differential. So they've got letters as well as notches for the differential feeds. So rather than give you numbers, they've actually put the letters G, S and N. So S for stretch, G for gather and N for normal overlocking. So another feature about this machine is the rolled hem foot. And what they've done on this machine is it's not a separate stitch finger that you can remove and you don't pull a separate switch. It's actually incorporated in the foot. Now I don't know if that's a plus or a minus, but it's definitely something interesting and something I've not seen before. So you do need to keep your accessories box handy. That's the Millepunti DF4 by Necchi. It's a 3 and 4 thread overlocker, retailing at £239, 1500 stitches a minute, 90 watts power, roughly 8 kilograms in weight. It sounds like a wonderful machine. I'm going to have a play with it, see what it's like with jersey, with cotton, with denim and with chiffon, and then I will let you know in a future video. I've got some extra feet coming, so I will be gathering, adding some binding and elastic, so I will show you those in another video, and in an upcoming video I will be threading the machine so that you can get started with other colours. So look out for those. Make sure you subscribe and follow so that you can watch other videos on overlockers, sewing machines, how to repair, how to maintain your machines, and in the meantime take care, have a lovely day, see you soon.